Hello YouTube, NG Medic here. It's been a while since I've uploaded any videos because I've been training. And I used to live in a bay with about 80 male soldiers. Not a very good environment for videos, but the Army being so gracious moved me to a new dorm room. It's awesome. I got my own desk in my own room, so I'll be able to give you guys some videos. Been like 7 months. I've got a little following going, so hopefully I'll get more views. So today we're going to be reviewing the Leatherman Wave black oxide. I am about 11 weeks away from being a medic in the Army, and I use this tool a lot. It's been very useful for me, so I like it, and hopefully you guys will. Alright, so I got the black oxide version. I mean, if you guys know very much about black oxide, you know that it kind of wears, so you're going to have the little scratch marks in it. But that's the version I got. I got it with the mole compatible case. It's a little bit too big for the tool. So, let me show you here. There's some wiggle room in there, but you know, you can add stuff. You can buy a bit kit for it, and that'll even it out, but not bad. I've been using it for about 3 months. Alright, so let's get started. Weight on this tool is 8.5 ounces, according to Leatherman's website. Closed, it's 4 inches long and 2.9 inch blade length. It has 2 main blades, I guess you could say. It has a fixed blade, or a straight edge blade here, very sharp. And they all come with like a liner lock type deal here. Then you've got a serrated edge blade. Serrated on one side. There you go. Then you've got your file here. And your saw. Main tools, as far as the blades go, I use is the straight blade. I've used the serrated blade a couple of times. I'm yet to use the saw because I've not really been in an environment where I've needed it too much. And the file, I've used it to sharpen other blades. So what's going on there? You open it up, you got your pliers. They're not spring assisted, anything like that. Needle nose. Locks up real good. You got your measurements here, inches and centimeters. So that's nice. It goes out to 8 inches. And 19 centimeters, so that's handy. Tools on the inside. You got a flathead and a Phillips, and they all lock here. They all have a locking system. It's real nice. Just push in this button here. And you've got your, get it out. Got your bottle opener / can opener right here. It works pretty good. On this side, you've got some scissors. I'll leave those out because we'll do a little cut test with those here in a sec. here's what I like, and this has been handy for me a couple times. You got a flathead and a Phillips mini screwdriver. It's real handy. And then you got a big flathead, which I use as a prying tool, whatever. Alright, so let's do some quick cut tests before this video gets way too long. So, this is spring loaded, no issues there. I said real good pliers, I haven't had any issues with them. Tightened up bolts with them, nothing. Really well made, heavy duty tool. Main blade is very sharp. Got some paracord here. Show you what I can do. Boom. No issues. I've used it a good bit. Main reason I bought this Leatherman Wave was because the tools are on the outside. The main blade's on the outside. I didn't want to have to. I got my EMT shears to cut stuff off, but if I wanted to, I don't know, quick access to this, the knife, I've got it. One-handed opening, so that I'm not fumbling through a bunch of different tools. I got what I need right here. Picked this up off Amazon for like $70. Not a bad deal. Thank you for viewing. Subscribe.